Hello. I'll have dark chocolate mocha.
I could do it for you.
Yeah. With some extra chocolate.
What was that?
With some extra pump of mocha.
Okay.
Yeah. And light whipped cream.
And then, did you want to do that hot or ice?
Hot.
Hot. And would you like whipped cream?
Yeah, light.
Oh, put that in there.
Oh, yeah.
2%, that's okay?
Yes.
Okay. All right, can I get you any pastries or sandwiches?
No, that's all for it.
All right, and then can I have your name?
Manny? How are you today?
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
I'm almost
Are you
up,
tired?
so I'm very
Okay.
tired. I'm ready to go home, take a nap.
Oh, at what time do you start?
5:30.
5.
But I have to leave my house at 5.
Okay. I used to work in buffet that starts 5:30, 6 o'clock. I know that. Oh, okay. Thank you.
It's got comfy seating, perfect for relaxing. ETA about 12. Perfect. Heading to the stand on Alton Parkway in Irvine.